Oh, hold on. Hold on, this is very exciting. Are you curious about this 120 times Jeweler Loupe extension mount for your cell phone? Seems too good to be true, so I think we got to try it out, make sure it actually works. I do need to tell you they provided it to me, but with absolutely no instructions. They were just like, we invented this cool thing, give it a shot. Let us know how it works for you. So that's what we're going to do right now. There are so many uses for this. It's a little crazy. I was thinking about it. Most important, for me, I work on electronics and stuff, so I want to be able to see that up close, obviously. Or if you're into jewelry, you're going to want to see that kind of stuff. Ooh, look at that. That is really very legit. I was not expecting that. That is the lens with the LED fill light. Let's see if it's got a charge. Oh, look at that. And you could adjust the brightness and the whiteness of it. That's pretty darn cool. That is really pretty cool. Okay, so we got that. We got a USB cable to charge it up. We have the mount for the cell phone. So I have my stunt Samsung phone ready to demonstrate this for you. Let's see what we got here. This is the universal mount itself. Let's see, wait. Let's mount this up here. Let's align this with the camera. There you can see I got it aligned with the camera. Here we go. Obviously, it's 120 times, so let's see something up close. Oh, hold on. Hold on, this is very exciting. I got some stunt electronics here. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so let's say I'm looking at this, trying to figure out stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at that. See the wiring. Yeah, like if I wanted to see what was wrong with one of these wire connectors, look at that. Look at how clearly I could see those wires right down in there. That is wild. Just the way we wanted to see it. Like, let's take another look. Look how well we could see that. That is so cool. This sounds silly, but let's check out a pile of dirt. Look at the dirt. Look at the sand. That is so cool. Now, obviously, if you were into jewelry and you knew what you were looking at, you could really tell what that was. And actually, let me come back so you could see. Watch, I'm going to look at the table, and this is why that fill light is so important, right? So I am blocking all the natural light. And look, you could even see like the dots that make up the printing. That's how good the resolution is. So you know the Doug and Nikki channel, we do a lot of these reviews. I see all kinds of things that people send me and it's like, you gotta be kidding. This is just a gadget and a piece of junk. This is so legit. Wild. Turn that off. Okay, so the only answer is this is absolutely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, right? This is just worked perfectly in 2 seconds. You saw the whole thing. I hope this has been helpful. You cannot go wrong with this. We will see you next time.